big one for you guys, man. Going up there on top. This is a big one. Wee, this baby right here is gonna be heavy, y'all. Yes, she is. She's gonna be heavy. Where you at, Frank? That's a heavy one right there, y'all. That's good? Okay. Oh, look at that. Tell me that ain't no heavy ass bundle right there. Tell me that's not a heavy. Ooh, y'all, I am a fool behind this shot. Step cows in the middle, bus in the back. What I'm gonna do. Yeah. Ah, shit. Yeah. Put this in here kind of close, put another one on top. Got some heavy stuff here I done made, y'all. This shit here is heavy. So waiting on him to get his boards ready right quick. That way I can set this bad baby down, man. Try to put it close to the other. Trying to put it close to the other bundle as possible. That way I can stick another on top. Put another bus in the back. Maybe with two bundles, small bundles on the back of it. And then we'll see how that really goes and how that's gonna look there. Now he's fixing his boards. That way they can sit down on the board and not on anything else. That way when they go to the mill, it's easy for them to pick them up. That's good, Frank. And I'll put him a little mini-me on the top of it. Give me a little mini-me right here. There's some crazy ass loads I got right here. Crazy ass loads. Hold up. That's full? 2 chain. Yeah, that's what you put on the front. That's what when I put like one of these cabs, put 2 chains on the front. There go another one, man. There goes another one right there. Let's see. Get a better little angle of it. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's go pick up. Well, let's do this first. Hold up, I'll be right back, y'all. Yep. Man, this is gonna be another heavy load, man. Woo, man, I've been trying to get my jam on all day and stuff, man. Trying to stay in my own rhythm, in my own everything, man, right now. I've been... Huh? Yeah, that way the whole thing's secured. Make sure it's not over. Yeah, I know you, Frank. Yeah, damn. Well, y'all look at that. That is a heavy load. Look at that, man. Hell, it gets small, big, and then bigger in the back. It is what it is, y'all. It is what it is, man. I will get back at y'all, man. Peace.